Having trouble finding the right RF cable assembly? Not sure which coax is best for your situation? Experiencing long lead times? Don't worry, we can get you the right cable solution fast, including custom assemblies. Pasternack stocks and builds the industry's most comprehensive selection of RF cable assemblies, including over 5,000 standard predefined assemblies and custom configurations utilizing over 150 coax types and over 1,600 RF coax connectors. Pasternack is the solution to your urgent needs. With maximum operating frequencies from 1 GHz to 110 GHz, Pasternack's cable assemblies cover a wide range of applications and performance criteria. Pasternack's production facilities produce standard RG-style cable assemblies, low-loss versions of RG-style cables, semi-rigid and hand-formable semi-flex cables, high-performance cables, precision test cables, and high-reliability assemblies. Not sure if a configuration is possible? Pasternack's Cable Creator can help. Click on the Cable Creator link on www.pasternack.com and create your cable by selecting the connectors and cable you need. When all parameters have been added, you are a mouse click away from creating your cable. For your RF cable assembly, Pasternack also offers value-added services, such as a suite of testing solutions, custom labeling, lead-free soldering, custom booting, heat shrinking options, and more. In addition to the Cable Creator, you can also find other useful tools on Pasternack's website, along with over 40,000 popular and hard-to-find items across 107 categories of interconnect, passives, actives, antennas, and test and measurement. And hundreds of new products are added every month. Configure and customize your cable assemblies online, or let Rimarck do it for you. Rimarck is the Benelux distributor for Pasternack, and we are ready to help you with your RF cable assembly and other RF components needs. Contact Rimarck for support, questions, and quotes, or visit Pasternack's website to find your local representative.